The Fourier series of the following function of period 2 pi, f of x is equal to 0 minus pi to 0 and 1 0 to pi, right? So function is defined in two interval, minus pi to 0 0, 0 to pi it is 1, right? The ratio of the Fourier coefficient of the first and third harmonic is, so Fourier coefficient is what? An, so let me take pen, An and Bn, right? An and Bn. Now what is An? An is equal to, we studied, that is minus pi, 1 by pi minus pi to pi f of x. F of x is what? F of x cosine x dx, right? What is that? An is equal to 1 by pi and minus pi to 0, I can give minus pi to 0 f of x, minus pi to 0 interval is 0, 0, then that will be cosine x dx. Now next interval, put a bracket here, that means 0 to pi, minus pi to 0, 0 to pi, minus pi split into minus pi to 0 and 0 to pi, right? What is that? F of x value in that interval? 1 cosine x dx. Now simply think, this part already is 0. What is this part? Cosine x on integration you get sin n x. Okay, sin n x, if you give pi, sin n pi is 0. Now sin 0 also 0. Then this function definitely 0, right? Then Bn value only exists. Now next we can calculate Bn, right? What is Bn? Bn is equal to integral, right, 1 by pi minus pi to pi, right, f of x sin n x dx, right? That is Bn is equal to, we can split this into 2, minus pi to 0, f of x is what? 0, the remaining I am not writing. Then next interval is 0 to, right, pi, f of x is what? 1, then 1 what? Sin n x dx, sin n x dx, alright. That is Bn is equal to 1 by pi into sin n x on integration minus cos n x by n, right, integral 0 to pi. That means Bn is equal to minus 1 by pi n, alright. Now cos n pi, what is that? Cos n pi is minus 1 raised to n, alright, minus cos 0 what? 1. Now the first and third harmonic is ratio of the coefficient of first, then b1 divided by and third, b3 they are asking. What is b1? Put n is equal to 1. Then what you get? Put n is equal to 1 minus 1 by pi, alright, here minus 2, right, minus 2 divided by, now put n is equal to 3, then minus 1 by 3 pi, alright. Here if you put 3 means again minus 2, right? Then what is the answer will come? 1 by pi, 1 by pi, negative, answer is 3, right? This 3 go there, then option 3 is correct, alright.